Namaskaram and welcome to all the gorgeous ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012, now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the prices, we always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees, just like the one that I will be showing you in today's episode. Dear customers, the beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing right now is by the House of QC. They have two stores. One is in Inorbit Mall, Hyderabad. Another one is in GVK Mall, Hyderabad. Dear beautiful ladies, today's episode is going to be about very gorgeous, authentic, traditional Kanchipattu sarees. These sarees are pure Kanchipuram silk sarees and I will be showing you so many such lovely sarees in different colors and various price ranges too. Let me first show you the one that I'm wearing right now. This beautiful cream color Kanchipattu saree has small floral buttis in gold zari along with bigger floral buttis in copper zari. We have two different types of zari work on the body, giving it a beautiful glow, a lovely luster in gold and copper color. The border has copper zari work over it. We have zigzag lines, dollars in boxes and pastries with florals and leaves jal in copper zari again. The pallu for the saree has florals in cross checks in copper zari, giving it a beautiful luster in copper color. And the saree has a very elegant self blouse because the color is so subtle, so beautiful in itself. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Let's now get started with today's episode. Beautiful, lovely Kanchipattu sarees. Here I have such a gorgeous saree for all the gorgeous ladies. This is an orange and pink color and let me show you the body. On the body of the saree, we have floral buttis in curvy floral jal checks all over the body in gold zari adding a lovely glow, a lovely luster to the orange color body. Our border, which is in pink color, has leaves on the edge, florals in lines, there are temples, there are crossed lines and then again we have temples and circular buttis in gold zari. Here's the contrasting pallu for the saree, which has dollars in boxes and floral brocade work in gold zari in the pink pallu. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Here I have a very beautiful, classy grey color Kanchipattu saree and on the body we have gold zari drop buttis. Very simple yet very elegant work. The border has temples with paisleys buttis. We have florals and leaves jal. There are strips and lines with wavy lines. We have florals and cross lines in gold zari. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has florals in circular buttis. We have zari boxes and all this work is in gold zari. It's beautiful brocade work. And let's have a look at the self blouse for this gorgeous grey saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's a beautiful pink with magenta color Kanchipattu saree and let me show you the gorgeous body, which has self-embossed diamonds with self lines, and we also have gold zari florals with peacock buttis adding a beautiful glow to your pink saree body. Here's the border in magenta color, which has temples on the edge, dollars in boxes. We then have peacocks in boxes, there are dollars in boxes again, diamonds and florals in lines in gold zari. Here's the contrasting pallu, which has floral brocade work all over it in gold zari. And a beautiful contrasting blouse in magenta color. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here we have a beautiful blue with magenta color Kanchipattu saree and let me show you the details. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal in beautiful gold zari adding a lovely glow to the saree. The border in magenta color has cross lines, florals and leaves jal. We again have cross lines. We have floral buttis and we again have cross lines and beautiful repetition of work in gold zari adding a beautiful glow and it's a very balanced design too. Here's our pallu, which has peacocks and circular floral buttis, dollars in boxes, cross lines. We have zigzag lines, we have small triangles and then we have huge paisleys buttis with a lot of floral detailing inside them in gold zari over the cross lines. Here's the contrasting blouse for the saree in magenta color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop from our website kanchivml.com by clicking on the links in the description. These links will take you to our website, and there you can add the saree and many more such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. Here's a very elegant sage green color Kanchipattu saree, very classic too. Let me show you the body. On the body of this one, we have small peacock butties in copper zari. The very gorgeous border has leaf butties with lot of floral detailing inside them. Then we have zigzag lines that are paisleys in lines, and then we have small floral butties with dollars in boxes in both sides in copper zari. Here's the contrasting pallu in bright pink color, which has florals, cross lines and floral brocade work. We have florals and curvy checks here in beautiful copper zari. And let's have a look at the contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop through online video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a call at your time of convenience. We will show you all the varieties of sarees in various price ranges too. So what are you waiting for? Take your appointment right away. Here I have a beautiful emerald green color Kanchipattu saree, very royal color. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have small diamonds and copper zari having cross-line detailing inside them. And here's the beautiful border, which has leaves on the edge, small zari boxes and cross lines in copper zari. Our beautiful pallu has zigzag lines with peacocks in lines and floral brocade work in copper zari all over it. And this saree has a gorgeous self blouse because the color is so beautiful in itself. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also shop through video calling, and you can also shop from our website kanchivml.com. Dear ladies, our jewelry partner is the House of QC. They have two stores. One is at Inorbit Mall, Hyderabad. Another one is at GVK Mall, Hyderabad. Dear lovely ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode about Royal Kanchipattu sarees, pure silk sarees. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.